So it's a great platform for students to learn, to improve.
It was really nice to see the children perform so confidently.
So natural it was.
So significant improvement in their communication skills.
Perfect example of how miraculously their confidence and stage presence is.
Their language, their expressions was very well guided. The first Helen O'Grady performance that we had of our child who is in grade 1. And it was really nice to see the children perform so confidently and nicely. They were taught very well. Their language, their expressions was very well guided. And it was a treat to see the children perform so happily and nicely.
So this has been a great experience for us. This is the first year of my kids at Soji, and saw significant improvement in their communication skills, their creativity. Both my kids are different. One of them definitely enjoyed it. The second has shown great progress. So looking forward to next year and it's wonderful experience.
Hi, this is Karthik here, proud father of Pratap Karthik. We've been associated with Helen O'Grady for the second year. I saw them in year 1, where I missed kind of enrolling here, but a little bit too delayed. I felt really bad that I did not enroll them because I really saw what they were capable of and what they were doing with children. They were doing and creating magic with children. And I wanted to see the magic myself and I experienced it. And I should say this, the level of confidence and the way they come up on the stage. Just today, the way a few mics had some concern, and I was just telling one of the person here that the children, they have a skip play and they have some lines to speak. In the process, the mic is not working. Now, I don't know if I was, say, about 7 or 8 years of age, in that given situation, what I would have done. Definitely I wasn't the Karthik holding the mic and speaking to you now. But at age 8, these children are able to figure out that, oh, this mic's not working, pick up another mic, and you have an entire audience of about, say, 60, 70 who's seeing them. They are fearless. And then once they get hold of the mic, which is functional, they deliver the dialogues perfectly. I think that's commendable.
Saw my baby's journey from 1 to 2nd grade, and I see a lot of good, superb, amazing progress in her, like the confidence she had, the way she's speaking, the way she's articulating herself, and whatever the Manisha ma'am is teaching her, she's doing such a great job, and I'm so happy in the Helen O'Grady, and I will keep continuing this one. And hats off all the teachers of Helen O'Grady. They're doing so much for the kids. I will make sure that she has to enjoy and she has to do more in Helen O'Grady. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
So it's a great platform for students to learn, to improve. And my daughter did very, very well. She's been practicing every day. Just a little thing that my mic was a little disappointing this evening. Otherwise, everything was very good, perfect. And happy to be a part of Helen O'Grady program, and she's looking forward to be a part of it again next year.
It was wonderful to see the children perform and so natural it was. And I think bringing out their talent as well as to make them feel confident. And that's what I like the most.
And I really look forward to seeing more such performances in the coming years with Helen O'Grady. A great endeavor indeed. Thank you so much to the teacher Manisha, who's guided the children well and nurtured them into good drama artists. And we hope they all keep this interest going and we see this year on year with our children. Thank you so much.
Great thanks to Helen O'Grady for doing this, because they don't forget their lines because of this thing that they have, and they're able to face the audience just the way they would have faced the whites. I think that's a perfect example of how miraculously their confidence and stage presence is, and which is very critical and crucial in today's developmental age. So thank you, Helen O'Grady. Wonderful to be associated with him. I wish you all the very best, and I know we are in. Thank you.